Hello everyone, I'm Samuel, the brand evangelist here at BQool, and I'm excited to guide you through getting started with our AI repricer. Whether you're new to repricing or looking to refine your strategies, we've put together a beginner course designed to help you get the most out of our software and maximize your Amazon business. This course will be a step-by-step walkthrough of how to set up your repricer. By the end of this course, you'll have a setup that fits with your specific needs and goals. Throughout the course, you'll discover how to configure your minimums and maximum prices, select the most effective filters, navigate the dashboard with ease, and fine-tune key settings to optimize your repricing strategy. We'll also dive deep into the latest AI repricing techniques, including AI 1.0 and AI 2.0, and show you how to craft powerful repricing rules that give you a competitive edge. But that's not all. We'll also explore how to quickly gain valuable insights from detailed business and listing reports, helping you to make data-driven decisions that can boost your profitability. In addition, you don't need to learn everything before getting started. Each tutorial is broken into bite-sized sections, allowing you to learn on the go even if you only have a few minutes. You could also jump straight into the areas that interest you the most. Our goal is to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to succeed on Amazon. We are BQool, keep innovating to help you stay cool with your Amazon business.